Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying the Zebra Sony model and firmware. This prevents incompatible steps later. Once confirmed, charge the battery to about 80% and insert the SIM or memory card, because power and storage are critical for setup. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and enable pairing mode so nearby tools can see the device. As you do these first actions, keep the device screen unlocked and notifications off. This avoids interruptions and speeds the initial configuration. Now you move into core setup and configuration. Install the official Zebra Sony app or driver package on your phone or PC because that provides the management tools you need. Then follow the guided prompts. Set language, time, sign into your account, and grant required permissions. This ensures services function correctly. If the device asks to update firmware, make a quick backup of settings first and then apply updates. Updating fixes bugs, but you want a restore point in case something changes. Finish by verifying that primary functions work. Test scanning, audio, connectivity, and your main app workflows to confirm the device serves its purpose. Once done, calibrate any sensors or cameras using built-in utilities and save the calibration profile so you can restore it later if needed. If you hit problems, reset network settings first, and if issues persist, reflash firmware as a last resort. For a common hiccup, unresponsive pairing, toggle Bluetooth and reboot the device, then retry pairing immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.